How to change time zone on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change time zone on BeReal. First open BeReal and now go to your profile here, click on it and then click these 3 points. Now click this one, time zone, and that's it. Now just select any time zone you want here. It's easy, just click on it and click save and click change, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.